let's talk about morphological process, especially with assimilation. And with assimilation, you'll see how the different morphemes will change depending on what phoneme there is. And yeah, let's get started. So I have three. Oh my god! I have three ending examples of these prefixes. So I have these. We have the three affixes mang, nang, and bang, right? And they end in they have the nga at the end of their syllable. And in Cebuano, assimilation occurs when we have words that begin with these consonants. When you have these consonants, it just depends on what happens, or it depends on what kind of consonant you have, but it will change its phoneme. So if we have the b or the p phoneme, it's going to change to a m phoneme, right? Ba or pa changes to ma, right? B, p, that bilabial voiced bilabial and a voiceless bilabial. Oh gosh, it's been a while since I remember stuff from my linguistics class. So this bilabial p or b or p changes to a m, right? A more prolonged m. And we have a d and a t and a s that changes to an n, right? And a k that just gets dropped. It just gets dropped at all and changes to a nga. So that ka changes to a nga. And then you'll see, right? But it works with these affixes. And let's go ahead and take a look. So I wrote some verbs down, like common verbs and words and what have you, so nouns, whatever, right? So these are words, right? First set of examples we have for this morphological change of assimilation is the word balik, right? Balik, right? And balik means to return or return. If you say mangbalik, we'll understand you, but it doesn't have a good conversational flow or a good grammatical flow. So what happens is that mang-ba, so mang-ba, that mang-balik, gets assimilated into mamalik, right? That b, that b, that bilabial, voiced bilabial sound, b, changes to this m. So now we have mamalik, right? Mamalik, which means will return or is going to return. So mangbalik changes to mamalik, right? Mamalik. And notice how there's a different, or the stress on the word changes too. Biyahe means to travel, right? And again, same thing, since it's a bilabial, the b sound. And we can use one of these three affixes that have a nga in it. We can change the b to the to a m sound, right? Pamyahe, pamyahe. Palit means to buy. Mamalit, going to buy, will buy, right? Mamalit. So yeah, that's just how, like, an example of how assimilation works with these words. And it just, again, the key thing is what type of consonant you have and the nga ending of the affix that you have to the prefix affix, and it all changes to whatever we have here, just to make it easier for Cebuano speakers. The next set is the DTS set. So salamin meaning mirror, right? Panalamin. Panalamin means like, oh, let's use a mirror on ourselves. Or panalamin ta, let's use a mirror on ourselves. Dagan, to run, nanagan, right? Dagan, nanagan. Timbang, to weigh. Timbang. Manimbang, right? To weigh, will weigh. Simba, to go to church or to attend church, to do something with church, right? manimba, manimba. And the last one is the K, the consonant K. All of this happens is just a drop, the drop of the consonant, and we just take the entire affix. So bang, nang, mang, right? Whatever you got. I just use a different bunch of affixes. So kaon changes now to mangaon. Kuha changes to manguha. Kanta, to sing, changes to manganta. Eat, take, sing. So kanta again, manganta. Kaon, mangaon. Manganta, mangaon. Cool. Hopefully this answers some questions.